You ever sit down to watch your favorite TV show, and by the time you figure out whether it's a police officer or a palm tree, the episode's over? I don't need a bigger TV. I need better eyes or a miracle or these. Let's investigate these MaxTV glasses a little deeper. Hey, they look like futuristic sunglasses, but they're really TV goggles for the modern geezer. They've got 2.1 times magnification. That means they feel like your TV just went from 42 inches to a drive-in theater. You can focus each eye individually. That's right. One for your lazy eye and the other for your dramatic eye. The MaxTV glasses have distance viewing from 10 feet to, wait for it, infinity. These things could spot the neighbor's dog in another zip code. They have flexible temples, which means they don't pinch your head like a medieval torture device. And the weight, a mere 1.7 ounces. That's less than a meatball. They're hands-free and they're stylish. Well, 4 out of 5 ain't bad.
Subscribe and hit the bell so you'll never miss an episode of Geezers, Gadgets, and Gizmos.
So let's talk turkey about the MaxTV glasses. What are the pros? They're lightweight, they're adjustable for each eye, they're easy as heck to use, they're the affordable alternative to huge TVs, and you've got hands-free viewing. So what are the cons? Well, they're not for walking around unless you want to see your living room up close. They're not prescription compatible, and they may make you look like a futuristic librarian. Now let's compare the MaxTV glasses to your regular glasses. The MaxTV glasses have 2.1 times magnification. Your regular glasses, they don't have any magnification. The MaxTV glasses are adjustable per eye. Your regular glasses, can't do it. The MaxTV glasses have hands-free viewing. Well, yours kind of do, but very, very limited. The weight of the MaxTV glasses, 1.7 ounces. Your regular glasses, well, it varies. And in terms of distance focus, hands down, the MaxTV glasses over 10 feet. Your regular glasses can't do that at all. So unless your regular glasses can zoom in on subtitles from the couch, we have a winner with the MaxTV glasses. So what's the verdict? The MaxTV glasses get my official Geezers, Gadgets, and Gizmos thumbs up. Why? They solve the problem without taking over your living room or your wallet. They're comfortable, they're clever, and they're crystal clear. The MaxTV glasses are not just another gadget. They're a game changer for your eyeballs. Movie night? BYOB, bring your own bifocals. That's one small step for gadgets, one giant step for your eyeballs.